dens, which coincided with the increase or the number of POGO operations in Manila or in Metro Manila. Is that a correct premise? Dumami ba ang prostitution dens dahilan po dito sa pagdami noong POGO outlets dito sa ating bansa? O walang relasyon ito?
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
insofar as the NBI is concerned, yung mga raids po ng aming operatives conducted on the prostitution dens. Normally, ang ini-entertain, kasi you can book through the net. Hindi ka pwedeng pupunta rekta. Kailangan online ka mag-book. And ang ini-entertain lang nila are Chinese nationals. And most of their customers are POGO players. So an indication na ito ay talagang they are entertaining players from the Philippine offshore gaming